In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a form using Shopify forms. This can be a great way to engage your customers and gather useful information directly from your online store. So, let's get started. To begin, head over to your Shopify admin page. From there, navigate to My Store and then select Forms under the Shopify menu. This is where you can manage all of your forms or create new ones to better engage your customers. Once you're in the Shopify Forms app, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Create Form button. This will initiate the process of setting up a new form for your store. You'll be presented with a host of options and settings that you'll be able to customize to fit your needs. After that, click on the Form Name field. Here you can give your form a specific name that will help you easily identify it among other forms you might have. Naming your forms clearly ensures that you can manage them effortlessly in the future, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms for different purposes. Next, you have the option to select a form type. Click on Pop-up Form from the available options. Pop-up forms can be a fantastic tool to capture the attention of your website visitors immediately, making them more inclined to fill out your form. With the type selected, go ahead and click the Create button. This confirms your selections and creates a basic form template that you can further modify. Once the form is created, you'll want to tweak its appearance and content. Select Teaser in the form editor. The teaser is what your customers initially see before interacting with the full form. Choosing a compelling teaser can entice customers to click and engage with your form, so think about what messaging will grab their attention. Now, you'll want to determine the form's position on your store. Click on Position on your store to decide where the form will appear, whether that's on the home page, a product page, or elsewhere. Strategic placement is key to maximizing engagement. It's time to give some flair to your form by clicking on Title. Here you can set the form's title, which should be something catchy and relevant to what you are offering or asking from your customers, capturing their interest straight away. Move on to the Form section. Here you customize the fields that your customers will fill out. This might include name, email address, or any other details you find necessary to collect from your visitors. You'll also want to add content by clicking on Content. This allows you to add any necessary instructions or information that provides context for completing the form, making it as clear and straightforward as possible for visitors. In the Fields section, double-check the information you want to collect, ensuring it's essential and placed logically for usability. Lastly, don't forget the crucial step of email marketing by selecting Email Marketing Consent. This includes a consent checkbox, which is important for compliance and allows you to send marketing emails to those who opt in. Following these steps will ensure your form is not only set up correctly, but also optimized for performance and compliance, helping you gather valuable engagement and information from your audience.